The 2023 Porsche Panamera is a testament to the automaker's commitment to combining luxury, performance, and style in a four-door sedan. Building on the success of its predecessors, this latest model year showcases a blend of technological advancements, superior design, and high-performance capabilities that truly sets it apart in the luxury sports car market. From an aesthetic standpoint, the Panamera carries forward the Porsche brand's iconic design principles while incorporating modern elements. Its sleek, low-slung profile, wide stance, and aggressive front fascia are instantly recognizable. Under the hood, the Panamera continues to impress. While specific engine options can vary depending on the chosen model variant, ranging from a potent V6 in the base model to a performance-focused twin-turbo V8 in the turbo models, and even an advanced hybrid system in the e-hybrid variants. Each delivers a thrilling driving experience. Porsche's precision engineering ensures that regardless of the engine choice, drivers enjoy impressive power output, quick acceleration, and exceptional handling. Technological innovation is a key component of the Panamera. The sedan incorporates cutting-edge driver assistance and safety features, such as adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and a sophisticated network of sensors and cameras for 360-degree visibility. The advanced infotainment system supports Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, with a high-resolution display and a customizable interface. A Burmester or Bose sound system, wireless charging, and a Wi-Fi hotspot are among the available options, offering passengers a connected and comfortable ride. The Panamera isn't just a car, it's a statement of luxury and performance. Its blend of style, comfort, performance, and technology make it a compelling choice for those in the market for a high-end sports sedan. Porsche's commitment to quality and innovation is evident in every aspect of the Panamera, making it a benchmark in its segment. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more car reviews and updates. See you in the next video.